I'm excited. I've been excited to show you guys this video because I think OnePlus has nailed it with the 7 Pro. Yes, let's jump in. Yeah, so the OnePlus 7 Pro, I've had it for a while, and let me tell you, this phone is legit. OnePlus is finally here. Now, this is a gaming video, guys, so we're gonna show you lots of gameplay, but let's talk about some of the features that makes this one of the best phones on the market, one of the best gaming phones for the market, and also with its price, just all around, this is a killer. Forget everything else right now. Let's just start off. Display, 6.67 inches, 2K display, sharp, vibrant, no notches, no punch holes. Something we've been waiting for from Samsung. They haven't given us yet on their flagship. OnePlus has delivered, and they've done it in style. 90 Hz refresh rate. It is butter smooth. When you're looking at those games, they just look and feel fast, fresh, effective. Now, you know OnePlus goes to the most powerful processor, the Snapdragon 855. It goes from 6 to 12 gigs of RAM. The variant I have here, the Nebula Blue here, which looks nice, has 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage. Storage is UFS 3.0. What we had in the Galaxy Fold, we have it here with OnePlus, and it is just fast and smooth. Talk about features. Now, in terms of audio, stereo speakers now. So we've got stereo speakers, which is absolutely great. One is bottom frying, one is front frying, and it sounds so much louder. You hear it in the gameplay. Plus, there's Dolby Atmos too. So there's Dolby Atmos. You're getting that more dynamic sound with it too. OnePlus is stepping up. Now, there is no headphone jack. I'm still pissed about that. Got headphones on my wall, but I will say the aptX HD, so Bluetooth Audio 5.0, you've got all that at least to give you some really good sound through wireless, and you can use, of course, some OnePlus wireless buds, which are nice. They're nice. They're not bad. Not bad. Now, man, so much to talk about in this. 4,000 milliamp battery. It's got fast charging, so when you want to pick up your gameplay sessions, that 30-watt charger really goes a long way. Now, a couple of things they also have that make this a really nice experience. We're talking about screen recording. So the ability to record your screen is something that's not new on Android. Some other manufacturers had that, but doing it while gaming, I did all the gameplay you're gonna see, I also recorded it as well, so we're gonna mix that in. But the fact you could do that and it ran really smooth was fantastic. But I am just gonna shut up now. Let's jump into some gameplay. You're gonna see a mix of the actual gameplay, mixed with screen recording, and you can see how smooth it flows all around. Let's check it out. Whew, man, I've got to say, everything ran well. It was a good experience using the OnePlus 7 Pro. I felt like I had a full smartphone in my hand that could handle anything I threw at it. In terms of temperatures, it ran max at 95 degrees, and after maybe about an hour and a half, 2 hours of gaming, I spent some time in it and it ran that warm. It's got that thermal cooling layer as well, or liquid cooling if you will, sorry. Then when you're talking about that screen, the refresh rate, really fast, really smooth. Everything you want, this thing has it. And think about it, for pricing, if you're spending about $699, you gain the 8 gigabytes with 256. That is insane. It is insane, the kind of quality you're getting and the performance. Plus, everything else on this phone really works well. Photos really look good, daytime, low light shots, looking at Wonder Woman here. I was impressed. I was absolutely impressed. And I think OnePlus has hit the mark and is now a true competitor in that flagship space at pricing that really isn't flagship, especially since everything's like north of $1,000 now. Look, OnePlus has me here. They finally won me over. I've always liked their stuff, but I've never really committed all the way. And yeah, definitely. They've done well in the past in gaming. They've always done it, but I think this time, the fact that this is just a balanced phone, really balanced. That display is so nice. There's no notch, there's no punch hole. This is solid, absolutely solid. So there you have it, guys. That is gaming on the OnePlus 7 Pro. If you're looking for a review, we'll have it in 30 days. Stay tuned for that. We have other videos will be coming up. If you're watching this later, we've got a ton of videos out there for OnePlus. One will be on the speak here. We'll do a versus video. You see all that, but you can hear the excitement in my voice. I'm excited for this device. So anyway, guys, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you're thinking about colors, there's the mirror gray and this nebula blue, and there'd be, I think, an almond color coming out later on. But again, thank you very much. Subscribe, notification icon, and always enjoy entertainment.